Hello, Blackford County Schools students, parents, and guardians. Today I'm going to show you how to log on to Google Classroom as a student. So I've just opened my Google Chrome browser to Google, and I'm just going to go to classroom.google.com. Once the website loads, you'll see that there's a plus sign in the right-hand corner. I'm going to click that and then click Join Class. It's going to prompt me for a class code from a teacher. So once your student has that code from their teacher, they will just enter that code into this box, just like I am doing now. And then you click Join. All right, it has opened up to my Google Classroom page, and I'm going to walk you around a few of the different tabs that you can look at while you're on this Google Classroom. So the tab it's going to open up to automatically is your Classroom Stream. This is where you can view class updates and connect with your class. Usually teachers will post announcements and other important information right here in the stream. Also on this tab, you can see if your child has any work due soon over in this left-hand side right here. So as you can see, I have no assignments due currently. Then you can go up to the tab called Classwork. This is where you can see all of your work. Your teacher will organize it by topic. So you can go to the topic that you're working on, click on whatever assignment that you need to complete, and then turn that assignment in. You can see here when it was posted, and if you need to do it, it will still say due, like this post right here. The last tab I'm going to show you is this People tab right here. Here you can see your class teachers and your classmates. If I need to email my teacher a question, I can click this little envelope button right here and it will email my teacher directly. The other thing that you can do through Google Classroom is if you talk to your child's teacher, you can ask them to add you as a guardian to Google Classroom. And if they add you as a guardian, you will get a little weekly summary report of your child's work and progress in that class. Thank you all and have a great day.